Hey Chief, how are you, man?
Yeah,
You're good.
yeah, I'm okay.
We're just here to take the story to people. Can you please just update us what is happening here, the expectations and so forth and so forth. You can start introducing yourself, where you're coming from, and why you're here, and so forth and so forth.
Okay, I'm coming from feeding scheme.
Where again?
I'm come from I'm the department of feeding scheme.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, feeding scheme, Kasim Malani.
Yeah. Okay.
So always I help the community, feed the community.
Okay.
So when I saw all this, the boss, when I saw what happened for these people, they're sleeping there in the ground, what's happening, then you came here, you just saw the people here. Then when I asked you to say, okay, the way he was renting there, okay, all the landlord, they chase us, they say they don't want to see us anymore here. So the people, don't have nowhere to go. So that's why they came here by the ground here. Now because I'm working for the feeding the people, the community. That's why when I saw these people, he came here, then he started to distribute the food for them.
Okay, before we go there, what is the situation there by the township where you're coming from? Not in the Malawi or wherever.
Yeah.
Like the township where you're coming from now. Like what brought you here?
Yeah, what you brought us here, we came from Malawi because the situation from Malawi is hard. You won't get the job, and to get the money is a little bit hard. You don't have business there. So when I come here, you try to help the family, ourselves, and to make our life easy. Yeah, that's why all of them they're here.
So
that's
you
why
came here because there's no job opportunities there by Malawi.
Yes.
And then, okay, like if you are going back to Malawi now, what is going to happen? Because you know exactly the situation there by Malawi.
Yeah.
That is not good.
And right now you're going to Malawi, you don't know what is happening for us because you don't have even where you're going to start it and where you're going to the end, because our country is nothing. It's poor country. It's not maybe got anything. Even these people, they're going there. I don't know what's going to start. They don't have even nothing.
But you still got homes there by
Yeah, the family. See, even the family, not only us, the one is here. Even the family, the one was here. Whatever you get here, you post for them the food. But now everything you make like you stop it. Now they won't get nothing because all even us also, you're working here. Now you go back.
So they chased you there by township.
Yeah, they chased you.
Not complying with the law of the country.
Yes, because you see, he was coming here to the country then now they were not taking the law of this country. So now everything is hard for us.
So what is the way forward? I just heard that you are waiting for a bus here to come. Like how big is that bus? Is going to take a lot of people like this?
Yeah. So the bus, the one is coming here, you have to send the president maybe like 40 to 50 bus to come here, maybe to try to take us, maybe whatever he can manage to reach home.
But there are still your brothers there, but the loctions, the townships. Will you give them advices, maybe what you've experienced, just give them the advice?
Yeah,
you want them to go back with you, or they must just keep trying?
Guys, the situation is hard right now. If he's ready, guys, you have to leave because the situation is not fine. Because you don't have the forward to say what's happening, what is going on now. Because if you start this way, you don't know the forward, what is coming next. So it's better to just prepare yourself, whatever you are, you have to prepare yourself to go back, then to see what is happening for us.
Like I see food here, people are eating.
Yeah,
the
people they donated them.
Like who's providing you with who's supplying all these items here?
The items are coming from our Muslim brothers. Okay. The one is around here, South Africa. Okay. That's why they take care for us. They feed us and they give us everything, whatever because some ladies, you can see, they came with the small kids. They don't have nothing but They get, alhamdulillah, they get the food from here, they get pampers, whatever they.
My brother, I see kids here, like small children.
Yeah.
Like, will you tell me, if are they surviving in the environment at the moment, or we can take me to them, we can speak to them if possible.
Yeah, you see, this is the small kids here.
Yeah, I see this one there.
Yeah. So all this is like the things what you was not wait to say gonna be happening like this. So it's nothing what you can do.
But
you don't have choice.
These kids are South Africans, right? So they are born here.
Yeah, these kids are born here.
So they've got ID.
They've got the certificate here.
So what are they gonna do now? Because
that is the issue now, because you don't have any choice to do. You can't say anything.
Let it be said the embassy is sending you the passes.
Yes.
Are they going to make another certificate for these kids there?
Yeah, they have to, because you see the situation, because the mother, they can't live with the kids. The mother, I know, is born from this side. So the kids is born here, so you have to go with his kids. You can't say anything.
So how did you come here?
Yeah, you came with, you pay transport, you pay bus, and you cross it to the border nicely.
Oh, nicely.
Yeah, but some people they just came, I don't know how they came, or maybe they came with there.
So you just came here nicely.
It's special, because you see some you got, some you got passport, some you don't have passport.
No, I get you, man. I understand. Maybe you are willing to have proper papers that brings you here to start a business that is that is complying with the law. We are willing to come back again here.
Yeah, you have to go back home, then you to go sort out ourselves, then you come back again with the right papers or right whatever, everything.
Thank you so much for the. Oh, okay.
Made the pink one because she was wearing pink. See, we made a pink one for you.
Feed the kids.
To put the kids. So this is the last meal of the day. That's the last meal. This one.
Yeah, that is the last meal for the day.
Yes.
So I'm doing this. I'm cooking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is my job. I have to cook for them.
Yeah.
And have to do whatever.
And there are many. Don't you think that this food won't be enough?
No, this is be enough because I got so another extra. Yeah.
So these Muslim people are prepared.
That is Muslim people, the one is prepared for.
Like what motivates them to help you guys here?
Yeah, even right now we see here in the van I got some blanket like this. They don't have I got some blanket here.
Okay.
Yeah, and I got some milk.
And it's winter, it's cold.
You have to. I can't do anything. I have to give them support.
So at night there is a light here. That's.
They try to do some light for us.
Okay. So these people are really helping you guys.
Yeah, they know. They help a lot.
What if their food gets finished? What are you going to do? Because you're not working, you don't have money, I'm sure.
But you see them won't lie to you. They stand it to us to help us.
Yeah.
Because our Muslim brothers, so they want to help us.
You guys must leave because you're not complying with the South African law. Go and fix your car,
your country,
and stuff.
Really, you see these things like the people understand him to say go fix it your country or whatever. Really, us you try to fix it our country, but the problem you see. I won't lie to you, Malawi is like the poorest country, So even ourselves, you won't know to say where you're going to start, where you're going to the end.
So what is the problem actually? The leaders?
The leaders and even the president also, everything is like, you see, especially like this president, what he was there, he was more waste. It's better the one is here, at least, maybe. That's why our life is, you can see millions of the people there.
So
You don't-
when was the last time you were in Malawi?
Last of last year.
Last of last year. Oh, you
Yeah.
go home.
Yeah, go home and
Come back. And then
yeah.
you helping people there. When
When they helping people this side, you helping people on the
Yeah,
side.
no, I say I've got some friends who are Malawians.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
stay with them there. So
Yeah,
they keep telling me talks like
Yeah.
1,000 rand here is 50,000 squash.
Yeah. You see this when you get this money now.
Yeah.
No, I don't want to be lied to you because you know why.
Yeah.
You was help a lot of people. Not only us, the one is here.
Oh.
Even the goes the Omkulus.
Yeah.
Now they'll be suffering because I don't know where they're going to get food now. Because when I get 50 rand, send it to them.
Yeah.
They was happy. Maybe like 20 family help them with the 50 rand, 100 rand. You
Yeah,
see.
yeah.
So now they're not going to get that money. Now it's going to be like a zero now.
Yeah, there are a couple
Yeah.
of guys, Malawians there, they are doing content, so they always show us the life there in Malawi.
Yeah,
they
now
live.
you're going to fishing again because you nothing what you're going to do.
Yeah. Okay, let's hope for the best. Everything is going to be fine. Let's hope the buses are coming.
Yeah.
Everything is going to be
Yeah.
smooth. And also, let's hope that you can change the country there if you maybe.
Yeah. For
Yeah.
true.
Yeah, no, let's hope so.
Buye Malawi.
Yeah, I'm going to start Malawi.
Manje njengoba ula eSherwood Hall nawe umunye wabakhishwe ngenduku leBrentwood kuthiwa hambani la.
Yeah, because I was still at the Hammersmith there. So the guys there said that no, just go back to home. So now I don't have a choice. I go home.
Oh.
Sure.
Maye usunengale ngaki bafula eSouth Africa.
I think that was 2015.
Cha sengisholo izingane onazo zingaki.
2.
Ezayo oyitholela eSouth Africa.
Yes.
Okusho ukuthi baqinisile amaZulu mengabe bethi nina nithatha intombi zawo. Nomsebenzi.
I say joking. It's a joking.
So,
Naku nje uyasho ukuthi una 2 nje ingane.
Yeah, I have got 2. But sorry? Hammersmith. So I just leave it. And then I'm going home.
Ngeke usayisupport abanye ingane yama state.
No, I don't have the time because
You don't care.
Yeah, I don't care because the brothers say that no. Oh, so how can I take the?
why ungahambanga nazo ingane zakho?
I don't have the time.
Lapha eMalawi nazo ingane.
Yes, I have.
Ingane.
Yes,
Imali uzingaki?
1. Yeah.
Maye leze la eSouth Africa ingane awusenandaba.
Yeah.
Sebozodla bona la bathambana. Uma lombazi.
Sure. 2015.
2015. Ah, maleka razi.
South Africa is right, and the life of South Africa is right.
Right.
Yes.
Umsebenzi obuwenza imuvi.
I was sewing a duvet and the pillows. Yeah.
Obushayisi.
Yeah.
Manje mawudayisa ngale Malawi ayihambi nempahla yakho abathengi noma kwenzakalani?
No.
Abathengi.
Yeah.
Because abanayo imali.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Manje njengoba uhamba bafo uzokwenza amaphepha ngithi ngale bese uyabuza.
Yeah.
Uzobuya uze ngale.
Yeah.
Manje uzobuyela kuzona ingane zakhe yama state.
Yeah. Yeah, but right now I'm going to fix my passport and the papers. Then I can.
You don't have a passport.
I have, but it's overstay.
Overstay.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
overstay.
What way is Kazakhstan Sinana?
30 days.
30 days.
30 days.
Yeah.
Since 2015.
Yeah.
Hayi bafunga sondela ngala. Sondela ngala ba.
Unufike nini la eSouth Africa?
Khona 4 years.
4 years.
Yebo.
Oh, okay. So ufike like kanjani, like une passport or something?
Me I call a passport.
Or une passport?
Yebo.
Oh.
Manje
okay.
ojile babhala lapho.
It's going to be easy for wena ukuthi ubuyele Malawi.
Usizama usekhaya ufuna ulungisa passport yabuya futhi.
Une family lapha eMalawi.
Hayi na kinga manje uzozama ubhosami uzozamela khona la.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. No, mfethe ngathi ngihamba kahle namabhasi afike because ngizula ukuthi ngilindele amabhasi la noma ngase sekwenzeka mhlawumbe aloke delay yabo mhlawumbe ngizogcina niba nenkinga mhlawumbe kuzonetha imvula ngigcine mhlawumbe niba manzi yabo and stuff.
Mina yazi ukuthi manje uyalungisa labelungu laba mazoshala kanjalo lapha ukuthi abantu manje futhi olongise lana ukhalile lana khona abantu bafikile lana abantu unqwaba lapha yebo
so kubona nabo abaphethe izingane ezincane lana yabo
khona izingane zakhala manje support emlungu lapha hayi khona kuja kanani manje thina ukuthi hayi mabhasi ubuye lana abantu yahamba seka ngeke uhlale usuku wonke lana ukuthi every day mushanje le 6 days ukhala la abantu
wona bafo wenzani kahle umsebenzi wenzani wakhe izindlu buwenzani
yaba ideliver yonke indawo
obudeliver
simba ebelungu
nabelungu
yebo
so manje umsebenzi wakho wenziwa bantu ngoba ungasekho
manje ubhozo ukhoshila abantu ukuthi manje ushayina mo abantu ufikile la abantu mazulu manje ufuna usebenzi manje abantu lo mlungu manje uvalile umsebenzini
uvalile noma uqasha abanye abantu
yebo manje ngeke uthatha abantu ufikayo lo bantu new one boys abantu mazulu manje awazi kahle umsebenzi manje khona usebenzi kunzima manje uzobaleka umsebenzini
no bafowethu no siyabonga kakhulu mfethe ngathi uhambo leno ngaba right yonke into nje ibe kahle
okay nami ngiyabongela
sharp
zinyanga ukuthi maybe 3-4 ukuthi ama-foreigners hambani ngathi kazama plan ukuthi tihambe simphathe tihambe kahle bye South African angeke foreigners yeze lutho kodwa foreigners tiyahlupheka manje yonke indawo foreigners ikhona Malawian Zimbabwe Mozambique South Africa foreigners ikhona kodwa manje tiyahlupheka tizobalekelana nasi tibantu kuphela thina
yona inkinga lena manje ngaphela abantu ekuyibona ngempela main reason ukuthi kuze kube ukuthi kanje ama-Nigeria
yebo
ngama-drugs
yes
and ngineshow ukuthi khona la ma-Nigerian
ama-Nigeria la awukho yonke empuyona lapha Malawian
Malawi only
a-Nigeria ndatizira nkinga lapha Malawi akayenzi lutho tiyathanda kusebenza tiyathanda kudesa zinthu angeke tiyeze lutho kodwa inkinga tibhisa lana in-Nigeria yadesa ama-drugs la South African ngati vakachela kuti in-Nigeria hambani was better ngatinika inyanga phela 3 maybe 4 tihambe kahle not ngati namhlanje kuthina kuti hambani awukho right South African
maye bathini
thina tiyakhala namhlanje kusasa South African izophendwa izokhala kanjani
bathini bathi 30 June azotishaya katifuni la tiyaqela awukho light tiyaqela nasi ndibantu phela not inyanga mhlawumbe noma 3 months notice
maybe 3 months 4 months umuntu uhamba kahle uthathe simphethe sakho uguduka not one 30 June yaphela ukuthi zoshaya bayambulala abantu baningi bashonile ngeBrentwood another people is dying
ngizokuthiwa eBrentwood bebekushaya bathi phuma endlini
bakuphumisa phansi bakuphuma ukuthi abathi phuma endlini bayaphumisa umlomo kuphela bayashaya banyalwa bayafa abantu baningi Malawian ishonile manje indaba lo bathatha khona awukho right tonke tibantu not inyama bantu
manje siswami kusunesikhathi esingakanani uhlela eSouth Africa
mina ngihlale 3 years now
wafika 2022
nda passport
wenza ntoni umsebenzi
ndiyasebenza overboard
ntoni umsebenzi
femini noma
ndiyasebenza ama-kitchen yes
domestic work
yes
manje bathe ama-South Africans mathathela
umsebenzi wuphi amalaba yazama ezamagwinya filokhu lokhu baphuma ezamagwinya lapho it's better tshela bahambe ukuthi ama-foreigners hamba tiyacela ukuthi ngathi bakatshela inyanga maybe 3-4 nditiyacela thina
ngoba omunye kade chaza laphana uthe amazulu into aziyo yona ukuvuka ahambe eqomela ahambe ephuzela
yebo asiphuzela akafuna ukuyeza udaka amalawi bayeza udaka bayahamba phela bayasebenza akafuna ukuyeza amagwinya amalawi ayeza amagwinya amalawi ayazama ukuthi ndizame
hard work imalawo
wabona amala angeke wathande kunjonja bayathanda kuzama
amazulu athanda ukuntshontsha
amazulu athanda kunjonja kuphela nje akafuni usenza udaka isithina Malawi siyasenza udaka siyazama tiyenza amagwinya tiyathenga ini amakinathi tiyenza ukuthi zame ukuthi kusasa zakhaze ku-right kodwa tiyathanda tiyacela ukuthi please angeke niyenze le nto tonke ni-black people not white people it's better tihlangane white people ahambane not black people yoke Malawian and foreigners ikhona angeke tiyenze le nto kodwa ngathi situkumeza kusasa thina namhlanje tiyakhala thina kusasa ndi-South African uGod ozophendula ngiyabonga
manje-ke so ungakahambi abantu abaningi bala e-South Africa ikakhulukazi besifazane kuthiwa baqoma kakhulu abantu bangaphandle mina njengoba niqhamuka ngaphandle yini ningawaqoma amadoda mhlawumbe amaZulu amaXhosa kanje
amaZulu akathandwa angeke wasapoti bafazi apa umuntu wathanda bamaZulu uyamshiya bayakhumbulana so kuyasitiya sana wona amadoda bamalawi baningi wena singani na-South African uba nososapota zingani zamalawi maybe umalawi washiya zingani na-4 uba nososapota ubani
ngoba kuthiwa manje inkinga
awukho right guys
manje mhlawumbe uma ungabahlakaniphisa nje abantu bala ikakhulukazi amaZulu ngoba nami ngumZulu ubatshela abantu besifazane ukuthi abayeke ukuqoma abantu bangaphandle uma kwenzeka niphinde nibuya ngelinye ilanga senamaphepha right
angazi angeke wavume futhi baningi ukuthi babuye la South African akavumi ukuthi lento lomanyeza khona wabona ukuthi banandi bamala bayahamba ukuthi lento lomanyeza i-wrong angeke umuntu wavume yakhe yasebenza ukuthi aphinde abuye la angeke umuntu wayenze lokho ukuthi ungahlukumeza kakhulu isibheka umuntu umnike inyanga 5 baba umtshela ukuthi hambani tizoqoqa kathi simphasha lesingani sithi guduke phela tizame epulani tisebenze tithathe imali guduke not namhlanje kumtshela ukuthi namhlanje lehambani uyimali uzothatha
nakhona ngiyakushaya
uyanishaya futhi uyanibulala akukho right South Africa tiyakhala thina kusasa izophendula amen
siyabonga
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgoso Mzansi. Naba abantu baseMalawi bahlangene lapha ngemva kokuthi baxoshwe emakhaya abo la bebahlala khona. Athi ma-South Africans abahambe nabo bayolungisa iMalawi obayendi be-right efana ne-South Africa abantu khona enjoya kuhlala khona instead of running away each and every time babanenkinga emaveni abo. Naba sebabona bagqwele lana-ke bayaphakelwa bayadla balinze kuthola lisito ukuthi bakhona ekhanjiswa bayise emakhaya and yasenga ukuthi vele baya give up vele bayabona ukuthi South Africa is no longer safe for them because bayaqoshwa labahlala khona bakhishwa kabuhlungu kuthiwa bahambe bayasho nje ukuthi vele they are going back to Malawi. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.